Wow. Did you find another one?
Is that dye on the, is there an orange piece on the,
No.
what is that?
I don't know.
Is it dry?
Yeah. There's another one.
Good job.
Over there.
Over there. That's right. There's another one. Put them in your basket.
They're both
Go put them in your basket. Wait a minute. No, your basket's over here.
Your basket right there. She forgot where it was.
There it is.
Over there.
Over there.
One more. I see one more, Hannah.
We see one more egg. Look, it's over here.
Check in the chair.
Look in the big chair.
Oh.
Oh, there's one. Oh, darn, you found all of the eggs, Hannah. Good job.
Basketball.
Basketball.
That's a tennis ball.
You got an egg and a ball now. That's cool.
Caught it.
You caught it?
Yeah.
So come and bring Mommy your basket. Show me how many you got. Can you carry your basket over here? Wow, look at all those eggs.
Ma.
No, I think they're all done. Can you say Happy Easter? Say Happy Easter.
Ma. Ma.
They're all gone.